Hi guys, what's up? Guys, we have made many videos regarding the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. Its performance, its camera, its design, its elegance, everything. To be very honest, I covered all the sections of this iQOO Neo 7 Pro, which is currently laden with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And you all must be knowing that this is the season of Diwali and Dhanteras, and there has been many discounts related with this smartphone. At this time, the smartphone is costing on Amazon at around 31,999, but after the discount, you can take it around 30,000 rupees. But yes, from the starting phase only, I have been using this iQOO Neo 7 Pro, and it has been around 3 months or 100 days that I've been using this smartphone. So I wanted to uh, share those views, my views, when I was using this smartphone. And yes, for your information, I'm currently using the smartphone camera for making this video, which is being shot from the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. Please do let me know in the comment section that how you are liking the video quality of this current smartphone. Well, talking about the first phase, that when I purchased this iQOO Neo 7 Pro, the smartphone was quite good. It was quite amazing. The performance was top notch. The camera was amazing. But yeah, there is a big fault in the camera department, and that is that when you are taking a photo or a video, then you can see that from the background gets washed out, and you can see also in this footage also that the background is being washed out. So please do let me know that how you are taking this into the consideration. To be very honest, I'm not liking the washed out videography or the photography from this smartphone, because this smartphone is being sold on the USP of as a gaming smartphone, because as it is laden with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and with the gaming chip. So iQOO is selling and was selling that if you are a good gamer, if you are a pro gamer, please do take this smartphone into the consideration. According to me, I've been using this smartphone camera in every phase of my life. That is when I'm in the indoors, that is I'm at my home, outdoors, when I'm going to the market, on the railway stations, on the airport. I have been using this smartphone camera, and I've been sharing the clips on my channel as well. So, guys, very crisply speaking, the camera of the smartphone, that is the rear camera, is okay. Not very good, not very bad. It's okay. For a normal user, the camera is quite okay. But taking front camera into the consideration, I don't, personally speaking, I'm not liking the quality of the front camera for the selfie department. So please do take this into the consideration when you are buying this smartphone. Well guys, talking about the main USP of this smartphone, that is the gaming performance of this iQOO Neo 7 Pro. As it is a very well known fact that iQOO Neo 7 Pro is very well laden with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and with the gaming chip. So the performance is quite good and quite amazing. To be very honest, when you are playing the PUBG is very well optimized in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. That is options which the iQOO Neo 7 Pro is giving. That is the 4D vibrations, the frame rate boost mode. It works very good in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. But sadly, when you are playing the Fortnite, the phone is not at all optimized. It is a very well request from my side to the iQOO Neo 7 Pro team that please optimize this smartphone with the Fortnite as well, because the Fortnite is a very well and very well built game. So, and as the smartphone is laden with the 8 Plus Gen 1 and with the performance gaming chip, so Fortnite should be very well optimized. So if anyone from the iQOO team is seeing this video, please do take this into the consideration. If you are a good gamer, if you are a pro gamer, and if you want to do very good gaming on the smartphone, nowadays, then iQOO Neo 7 Pro is a very good smartphone and a budget smartphone in which you can do a very performance centric gaming. But if you are taking this smartphone just because of the camera, then I don't think it is a very good choice. I took this smartphone just because of the gaming department. I was not very sure about the camera, and when I was using the camera of the smartphone, it was not at all satisfactory. So if you want to take a smartphone just because of the gaming, go ahead with the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. And if you want to take a smartphone just because of the camera, then you have two choices. That is the Samsung S21 FE, which is nowadays very popular and is coming at around 32,000 rupees. That is the Snapdragon version. And if you are taking the Exynos, then it will cost you at around 30,000 rupees. And there is one more option as well, that is the Samsung S22, which is also laden with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And it is not a very performance centric phone, but it is a camera centric phone. So my final verdict is, if you are a gamer, go ahead with the iQOO Neo 7 Pro, because the performance is still very good of the Neo 7 Pro with the 8 Plus Gen 1 and the frame rate boost mode section of this, just because of the gaming chip. And if you are taking the smartphone just because of the camera, go ahead with the Samsungs. So yes. And if you're liking my video, please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you can never miss a video whenever I upload the content on this channel. Thank you.